Today we are gonna make keycaps using a 3D printer. Then you can surprise your gaming friend with a custom keycap if you also want keycaps and if you don't feel like designing yourself. Just go to Thingiverse and search for keycap. Okay, first we need to slice the design because the 3D printer cannot read the 3D file. The slicer converts the file to G-code. We don't want to print all parts at once, so we just leave W there and delete the other parts. Now we can press the slice button, also we can see how the printer prints each layer. Then we save the G-code on an SD card and put it into the 3D printer. Now we are watching how our first keycap is being printed. After the print, we just have to remove the print from the printing plate and then we can insert it into our keyboard. After that, we can repeat this process with all other keycaps. So I show you that again now. We take the next keycap and print it. And repeat the process with S and D. Next, I have a little surprise. I still have my own keycap designed with my name on it and escape. Really creative. By the way, this is not so complicated. Try a program like Fusion 360 to make it. You should only make sure that your keycap fits on your switches. After I remove the print from the plate, I want to build it into my keyboard. So I take the keycap opener and say goodbye to my old escape key. Let's make a click test. This sound is really good. Here is my new keyboard.